Hey YouTubers, Ron here. We're going to go over the F532 ring fill light made by Letscom. Okay. First, let's go over what's included. You're going to get your user manual. You're going to get your warranty card and contact info. You're going to get a Bluetooth remote. This is Bluetooth 4.0 and it's been updated compared to our previous models. You're going to get a bar joint. You're going to get a flexible phone holder. This can fit up to 3.35 inches in here. You're also going to get a phone holder that goes around the base of the tripod. This has been totally changed from our previous design, so it looks pretty cool. And it has like a rubber gasket inside. You're going to get a bag to put your tripod in. Here's our tripod. And last but not least, you're going to get your ring light. The ring light is 12 inches in diameter. Alright, let's put this thing together so you guys can see how it goes. So, you're going to see these knobs on the tripod. Just loosen them up. Once you know what kind of height or angle you want it at, then simply tie in the first knob, and this will secure the base. And then these, you want to loosen them up. Okay. So on the top here, you can take this little plastic piece off, and it has a threaded screw on here. Now you don't need this for our current product, the current ring light, but if you have other products that use this universal threaded socket, then you can use it. Next, grab your ring light, and there's going to be a little knob back here. Just loosen it up so you can place it over this. Once you have it in there, just tighten up the knob. And that's pretty much all you have to do for that. The flexible phone holder can go up here. And then the phone holder that goes around the base, simply open up the opening here. Place it over the rod. Move the little metal piece over one of the sockets in here, one of the grooves that you can fit it into, and then simply pull back on the latch. And then that'll secure pretty good there. Okay. We have a phone. So it seems to hold it pretty good. This can go up to 71.26 inches in height. The LEDs on here have a max output of 10 watts. And on here you can control the settings. Okay. If you have further questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.